morning everyone. Once again welcome back in of essay subject in grade 8, chapter number 9, the freedom movement of 1857 CE. In the last video we have learned about reasons of outbreak of the revolt of 1857 CE कि किस तरीके से कौन से रीजंस थे that we start a revolt of 1857 CE and they joined the freedom movement of 1815 CE. So these were the reasons: social and religious reasons, economic reasons, political reasons, military reasons, and the immediate reasons. These were the reasons which we have discussed in the last video. Now we'll see the planning of the revolt and Mangal Pandey. I hope you all must have seen the Mangal Pandey movies, which is related the revolt freedom movement of 1857. So if you have not seen, so you should see this type of movies, which is help to you and which is beneficial for you as you will get to know about the history. So we'll see now the planning of the revolt and Mangal Pandey. It was planned to begin the revolt across the nation against the East India Company on 31st May 1857. So the planning to begin the revolt across the nation against the East India Company, it means against the British. So it was thought of, the date was 31st May 1857. So in this battle many people have joined and leaders. So we'll see which leaders are there. Leaders like Nana Sahib Peshwa, Bahadur Shah Jafar, Kunwar Singh and the Nawab of Awadh has joined hands with Tatya Top, efficient military commander Rango Bapuji. He was an accomplished planner, means the planning बहुत अच्छे से करते हैं, how to execute the planning. And the Azimullah Khan, a lawyer and a journalist to lead the revolt. किस तरीके से revolt को आगे ले जा सके. So there was a symbol to join the revolt for the civilians and the soldiers respectively. Means अगर किसी को join करना है या किसी को message भिजवाना है to join the revolt, so they were having symbol like lotus. They were having on hand a lotus and the roti. On the roti they were writing the message and they were sending to others if they want to join the revolt. So these symbols they were having at that time. These symbols were circulated across the nation. तो ये symbol जो है वो across the nation they have circulated. But Hindus and Muslims, priests, awliyas and messengers played their part in spreading the word about the revolt. So these were the people who have spread the message in a whole nation about the word revolt. कि हमें revolt करना है against the East India Company. Mangal Pandey opposed the use of cartridge grease with the fat of cows and pigs. As in the previous video I have explained, the cartridge means Enfield rifle जो gun थी, in that the cartridge they were using of grease किससे करते थे? The use of cows, pigs, इन सब से वो उनके beef से वो cartridge साफ करते, उसको grease किया जाता था. So Mangal Pandey opposed the use of that rifle. As a result, the revolt began earlier than the fixed date. It disrupted planning and the objectives of the revolt could not be achieved, as Mangal Pandey has denied the use of the cartridge. So the what date they have planned for revolt? 31st May. Before that day only they start the revolt against the British. अगर हम कोई भी काम decide करते हैं on the particular date and we fail to do on that date, but that before that day if we start that work, so obviously the whole things will get the disturbed. वो मजा नहीं आता and जो हमें achieve करना होता है we won't able to achieve. So that same happened with them. It disrupted the planning और जो revolt का objective था, जो main मकसद था, they failed to achieve. So Mangal Pandey was born in a Brahmin couple in Nagwa village of Uttar Pradesh. He joined the British Army as a soldier. उन्होंने British Army join की as a soldier and he was getting salary only 7 rupees, which we have discussed earlier. The Indian soldier who had agreed to revolt wanted to wait till 31st May. अब Indian soldiers जो थे, those who are working under the Britishers, so they have to wait till 31st May to take the revolt. Whereas 26 years of old Mangal Pandey could not wait till then. तो मंगल पांडे जो थे, he was very young age at that time, तो he was not able to wait. उनमें उतने patience ही नहीं थे. He can't wait till that time. So he refused to follow the order of using the Enfield rifle and challenged the British officers. As we have discussed, कि मंगल पांडे ने oppose कर दिया to use the rifle. So Segregant Major Hafsun ordered to arrest him. Now the British Major, Segregant Major Hafsun, he ordered to arrest the Mangal Pandey. But what Mangal Pandey did? जैसे ही उनको पता चला that person is coming to arrest him, he shoot to him. तो उसने उसको shoot कर दिया. So he defeated another British officer too. So like that he has defeated two British officers. So the Indian soldiers refused to arrest the Mangal Pandey. जैसे मंगल पांडे शूट कर रहे थे, तो इंडियन सोल्जर्स होते दे डिनाई, उन्होंने मना कर दिया कि वी विल नॉट अरेस्ट द मंगल पांडे एज ही इज बिलोंगिंग फ्रॉम द ब्राह्मण फैमिली. When he was concerned by the British soldiers, a bleeding Mangal Pandey was taken to the hospital because the British wanted to get information about the plan of the revolt from him. अब ब्रिटिश सोल्जर का कंसर्न क्या था कि उसे थोड़ी सी चोट पहुंचाई जाए, और जैसे ही उसको चोट लगेगी तो दे विल टेक हिम टू द हॉस्पिटल, सो दैट अगर वो उनकी कस्टडी में रहेगा, उनके पास रहेगा, सो दे विल कम टू नो अबाउट द रिवोल्ट, कि उन्होंने क्या प्लानिंग की है एंड व्हाट प्लान्स दे हैव फॉर द रिवोल्ट. So like that Britishers have thought. So the military court pretended to run a case against Mangal Pandey on 6 April 1857. So the जो court थी, they have pretended that they have उन्होंने केस फाइल किया है against Mangal Pandey on 6 April 1857. The entire proceeding was in English. He was sentenced to death at the end, but he did not divulge any information regarding the revolt to the British. Now what happened? He was sentenced. अब उस कोर्ट में ये बोला गया कि मंगल पांडे को फांसी की सजा लगी जाएगी, ये उन्होंने अनाउंस किया. बट आफ्टर अनाउंसमेंट ऑल्सो ही हैज नॉट ओपन हिज माउथ. उन्होंने रिवोल्ट के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं बताया. जस्ट दे डिड अ प्रिटेंड कि अगर हम ऐसा बोलेंगे इन द कोर्ट, ऐसा अनाउंस करेंगे, तो माइट भी मंगल पांडे डर जाए एंड वो कुछ न कुछ उसके बारे में, रिवोल्ट के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दे. बट ही डिड नॉट डिवोल्व. उन्होंने अपने मुंह से कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं निकाली रिगार्डिंग द रिवोल्ट टू द ब्रिटिशर्स. दैट्स हाउ आवर पैट्रियट्स वर. दैट्स हाउ, कैसे थे, इसी तरीके से हमारे पैट्रियट्स थे जिन्होंने देश के लिए लड़ाई की थी, आज़ादी के लिए. सो ही वॉज हैंग्ड एट 5:30 AM on 8th April, and that's how he became the first martyr of the revolt of 1857. So that's how our patriots were. तो उसको मंगल पांडे hanged at 5:30 on 8th April. 8th April को मंगल पांडे जी को फांसी दे दी गई थी, और इस तरीके से he was the first martyr. Martyr means शहीद. He was the first martyr of the revolt of 1857. You can see the map where red dots are given. तो red dots से Britishers का जो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरफेरेंस था वो फ्री कर दिया गया. So these were the centers of the revolt. आप देख सकते हो नॉर्थ साइड उनका कितना रिवोल्ट चल रहा, उनका कितना कंट्रोल चल रहा था. So they were free from the rule of the Britishers. So these were the major centers जहाँ पे बगावत की जा रही थी. So you can see the red dots जहाँ पे काफी सारा रिवोल्ट स्टार्ट हो चुका था to free from the Britishers rule. Yes, now our topic is spread of the revolt and its leader. As we have started planning of the revolt, I informed many of the leaders have also joined in the revolt of 1857. So these are the leaders and the names from where they have started the revolt. So Delhi and Bahadur Shah Zafar, Kanpur and Nana Sahib, Bihar and Kumar Singh, Jhansi and the great warrior Lakshmi Bai, the brave army commander Tatya Tope. Now in these cities the spread of the revolt happened and their leader's name. Now we'll see how they have started. So Delhi and Bahadur Shah Zafar, the soldier reached Delhi from Meerut in the morning on 11th May. In morning, the soldiers of Meerut they could capture Delhi with the help of the Indian soldiers present there, and they have captured, means Delhi को capture कर दिया, the army, the Indian army which is present over there. They convinced the 80 years old Mughal emperor. They have convinced the Mughal emperor was ruling over there. Bahadur Shah Zafar accept the leadership of the revolt. Then Bahadur Shah Zafar to accept the leadership of the revolt. Revolt की जो leadership थी handle करने की, Bahadur Shah has accepted. This news infused a new life in the revolt and many regions of India joined the revolt. ये news जैसे ही spread हुई, so the new life in the revolt starting and the many of the regions of India have joined to along with them for the revolt. Now the next city, Kanpur and Nana Sahib. Kanpur broke into the revolt on 4th June 1857. Now कानपुर ने अपना रिवोल्ट स्टार्ट किया 4th June 1857 में and the नाना साहेब पेशवा was asked to assume the leadership. अब नाना साहेब पेशवा जो थे उनको लीडरशिप अज्यूम करने के लिए कहा गया, मीन्स he has to follow the leadership. However, they had to surrender to the Britishers following an acute shortage of food. अब जैसे कि they have to suffer, the people all have suffered due to the Britishers, and what they have suffered actually for the shortage of food. They were not having water due to 22 long days without water, without food. The people over there, means Kanpur, they were surviving without food and the water. So Nana Sahib Peshwa started this revolt, means he joined this revolt, and it will continue till the Bihar. From the Bihar, Kunwar Singh has started. Patna and Jagdishpur were the main centers of the revolt in Bihar. Kunwar Singh, a 70-year-old landlord, was the leader of the revolt. He was the leader of the revolt from the Bihar side, and he fought bravely against the Britishers because his aim was any cost he wants to their people free from the Britishers. So during a battle he got a shoot in his arm. जब Britishers की और उनकी लड़ाई हुई, he got shoot in his arm. He cut his arm and thrown in the river of Ganga. So to stop the poison, अब जैसे कोई भी केमिकल मिक्स करके if the Britishers have shoot, so उसका spread पूरे बॉडी में ना फैले, उसका जो poison है it should not be spread in the whole body. So he cut off his hand from the elbow and offered it to the river Ganga. He freed Jagdishpur from the British control before he died. जब उनकी death हो उनसे पहले he has made Jagdishpur free from the rule of Britishers. Now we'll see the Jhansi and the great warrior Lakshmi Bai. The Queen of Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai, was a great warrior. As we all are aware, she has fought many battles against British. So the Britishers did not accept her adopted son as the heir to the throne. Rani Lakshmi Bai, she has adopted the son. Okay, he was not having his son, he has adopted the son. So as Rani Lakshmi Bai has thought to give his throne to the son, but Britishers refused. They have not accepted. This is the reason for her joining the revolt. यही reason था why she has joined the revolt. She was one of the most skillful leaders of the revolt. She had also prepared an army of women to fight against the British. She was the lady, she was the queen who has involved the women in the armies, and she was very skillful leader, and she asked women to be in the army and to fight against the British. They fought bravely against the British. According to the British officials, Queen Lakshmi Bai was one of the greatest women leader in the revolt of 1857. Now, of the Britishers as they were talking at the time, they also announced officially that yes, Queen Lakshmi Bai was one of the greatest women among the leaders in the revolt of 1857. A brave army commander, Tatya Top. Nana Sahib Peshwa had made Tatya Top the commander of the army of Kanpur. Nana Sahib was ruling in Kanpur. He made him as a commander of Kanpur, a commander of the army. Soon he became his trusted commander. He skillfully fought to free Kanpur, playing the role of commander for the first time in his life. For the next 2 years, he played a major role in the revolt across the country. He skillfully fought to free Kanpur as the commander of the army. As he was the commander, तो उसने बहुत skillfully battle लड़ी Britishers के साथ, and he was trying to free the Indians from the British rule. So for the next 2 years, he played a major role in the revolt across the country. No one in his time had fought as many battles as he did. अब उसके जैसा लास्ट मीन्स व्हेन ही वाज फाइटिंग विद द बैटल, उसके अगले 2 साल तक कंटिन्यूसली ही फॉट मैनी बैटल्स. नो वन वाज देयर कंपेयर टू हिम who can fight many battles against the British. So soldiers from different parts of India had joined the revolt. अलग अलग इंडिया के अलग अलग पार्ट से many of the armies they came and joined the revolt. North India, Bareilly, Banaras, Allahabad, Agra, Azamgarh and Gorakhpur have joined. Ajmer, Nasirabad, Abu from the Rajputana and Gwalior, Mandsaur, Indore and Dar from the central India participated in the revolt. Satara, Kolhapur, Savantwadi, Nargad, Dharwad, etc. became active in south. However, these centers were scattered. ये पूरे centers जो है वो अलग अलग तरीके से scattered means बांटे हुए थे, and there they have started the revolt, means they have started the freedom movement of 1857. So I hope you all have understand how the leaders they joined in the revolt, what was the planning of the revolt, what Mangal Pandey, how Mangal Pandey opposed for not using the rifle in this video. So just go through the video properly, go through the textbook. Whatever doubts you have, we will solve in the live session. Till that time, take care of yourself, study well. Good day and thank you.